Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Bimbo, a Nigerian trained pharmacist and a UK care assistant. So the saying is true that when you Japa, you don't spend so much money buying a lot of furniture in the house because you don't know where your next destination is. So even if you've got like 5 years COS, you wouldn't know. Maybe along the line, you might just need to change your employer and you might need to change your location. So this was me in one of the offices where I worked as a care assistant. I went to present this gift to my manager, and thereafter I went to the gym because I've added so much weight. I've gone from size 12 to size 16 in just 1 year in the UK. So I had to just shed some of the pounds because, you know, summer is coming and we need the banging summer body. So I was here for 1 hour just twice, and then I went to plait my hair at my friend's place. She's so good at what she does. So I got this hair extension from Shein, and the D-Day came. We had to say goodbye to England, and this was me with my family driving down to the ferry, into the ship. So we're moving outside England and we're only going via the ship. We're going on water. So there are only two ways to get to our next destination. It's either we go on ship or we take flight. Meanwhile, we have a car, we have lots of loads to carry, so it was impossible for us to go with flights. Hence, we are here. And here we are in the cabin. We booked the cabin because we're a family of 4 and we just wanted the experience to be a nice one. 8 hours on the ferry. We needed some time to, you know, rest. We needed a place to lay our heads in case the children start becoming grumpy and throwing tantrums. You know, we needed somewhere like home. So we got this cabin, and I'll just show you around the cabin.
So, are we going to be at the bed forever?
Never, not forever.
So we're going to get down every morning.
It's just an 8-hour journey, so we're just gonna be in here for 8 hours, and this has nearly everything that you need in a room. It has the bed,
Come on, you know the skinny pants.
So depending on your family size, you can book whatever is applicable to you. Let's take a look. It's got a TV. It's got a bathroom. Each of us has a towel. We have quilts, or is it duvet? We have a reading table. You know, we just have basically everything that we need. The basic things that you need in a room. See where I'm hanging my coat. Let me show you. So I'm hanging my coat here, just close to the mirror. So it has two hangers, and it has this for, I don't know, in this corner behind the mirror. You can actually hang, if you have hanger, you can hang your shirts, your dresses, what have you. So that's it, guys. We're on our way to Belfast. Everybody's busy pressing phone. The TV is playing. Someone is bathing. It feels like home. And this is our view. You can see the sea. It's really deep. Unfortunately, this doesn't capture. It doesn't capture anything.
The sharks are also
one nice thing.
The sharks and dolphins are there.
Yeah, sharks and dolphins probably are there. I'm not sure if mermaids are there. Can you please pull down the curtain, the blind? So you can actually pull down the blind. Yeah, so I'm using the Wi-Fi here. I'm using the free Wi-Fi. So you can actually close the blind, and then you've got the heating control here up to 30 degrees. So even as a husband and a wife without children, you can come here and have like a honeymoon. Alvin, why are you crying? So you can come here for your honeymoon. Let me see the bathroom.
Oh, this is the one I can sit on the chair. Mommy, this is. Mommy, let me tell you these lights.
Oh, interesting. Turn on the lights. Turn on the switch. Let me just show. Oh yeah. So we've got the tissues. We've got the bathroom.
And the toilet.
With the curtain, the hangers, the fluorescent. We've got the mirror and the basin. So next, let me show you round the ferry. It is interesting to know that there's nothing that you actually want that you won't get on a ferry. And one interesting thing is that there are different floors. So on this particular floor, everything that is available on this floor is available on other floors. There are cinemas, there are playrooms. This was a playroom for kids. So I first went out to take a tour of that place, and then I went back to get my keys to come and play some games. So this game room is for children, and then we've got the one that is for adults as well. This place is rated 18 plus. So you have to just put in £1 coin and you'll be able to play the game. The highlight for me was this particular spot in the ferry where you get to see the landscape, where the sky and the ocean, or is it the sea, where they meet. The view is so breathtaking. It's absolutely amazing. I really enjoyed it. It was a good feeling. And then I went outside, to have the complete glimpse of what nature was serving my eyesight, whatever. So this view for me is the highlight of everything. People came here to have a fag. People came here to take pictures, make videos, just to relax. And look at those windmills. Everything was just super amazing to my sight. Like, I've never seen anything like this. I took pictures that I can even frame. So lovely. The sea was blue, the sky blue and white. So beautiful, guys.
Some money can buy happiness, but I still wanna get it. I'd rather cry in a private jet than to be smiling in the trenches. Even the girl who you love go follow another man when there is no money. Yeah, she got me worried now, cause only me got me. Yeah, so I do my thing my way. I must be my job. With the sun in the back. Feel my pain, keep passing.
Valerie, move. Ready, go. Set, go. Alvin, move. Alvin, you're not moving. Yeah. Come on. Alvin, don't fall down. Hello.
She's one over there, mommy.
Yeah?
Mommy, look at me. She went over there.
Okay. Do you want to follow her?
No, I don't stay.
Are you enjoying the view?
Yes, I am. I never look at her.
You never want to go?
Oh, yes, ever.
Alvin, that's scary. Isn't it?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Leave the window side. Yeah. Good boy. That's my baby.
I can see everything.
You can see all the water.
But I cannot see a castle.
A castle. Can you see a
And I can see
mermaid?
a pirate ship.
A pirate
Ship.
ship. Where is it?
It's a sign. I can see it on my side. Look.
Ah, it's far, far away. Alvin, are you ordering something?
I'm not going to eat that.
There are restaurants around. Fish and chips.
I want to
Let's go and eat our rice. I'll come and get some drinks and chocolates. So I went to get the keys to come and experience what I had experienced, and it was absolutely beautiful. It was quite memorable for them as well, and they enjoyed every bit of it. So we saw some stores, and each floor actually has something like this, a store like this. At some point it was closed because it was a Sunday, and after some time they opened it again, and the things are quite expensive here, I must confess. So we went to grab some chocolate and biscuits and drinks. This is the movie lounge. Now let's go. Oh, see, movie lounge. So they say the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a step, and at this point the ship had already stopped, and we were preparing to get down from the ferry into our cars or into the bus for people who didn't bring their cars along. And I must confess that I really enjoyed every bit of the 8 hours spent here. And would I do this again? Maybe not, because going by air would have taken less than 1 hour for this journey. But with the ferry, it took 8 good hours. But because we had lots of things to carry, like the car, like a lot of our, clothing and all that, we couldn't take the aircraft. So if I had to do this again, I would rather take the aircraft. Now, can we say cheers to a new beginning, because it's a new dawn? You can officially welcome us to Northern Ireland, because we are going to be here for the next couple of years, and I am so excited to know what awaits us, what God has in stock for us. I am convinced that He's got good plans for us. So thank you guys. If you have watched up to this point, this is our final destination, and this is not our final destination, but in the meantime it's our final destination. It's a countryside and everywhere is green. I bet we are breathing fresh air, and I'm really loving this place. Thank you so much. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please do well to smash the subscribe button, and I will like to see you in my next video. Bye for now.